Hi there. Let's learn 15 animals you can see in the zoo with simple English sentences. Let's go. Lion. The lion is strong. Elephant. The elephant is big. Giraffe. The giraffe has a long neck. Zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Monkey. The monkey is jumping. Bear. The bear is sleeping. Tiger. The tiger is walking. Kangaroo. The kangaroo can jump high. Penguin. The penguin is swimming. Hippo. The hippo is in the water. Crocodile. The crocodile has big teeth. Parrot. The parrot can talk. Flamingo. The flamingo is pink. Rhino. The rhino has one horn. Panda. The panda eats bamboo. Great job! Now you know 15 animals you can see in the zoo. Practice with these words every day, and your English will get better and better. See you next time.